Hey guys, I will be sharing with you some ideas, some methods, some strategies or concepts that you can incorporate as you prepare for your final exams, be it you're studying for your mathematics N1, your N2 or your N3. Now, if these videos are handy and you are benefiting from them, you can actually press the like button, or if you've got some ideas, you can leave some comments below. If you also like to be notified of extra videos every time we post them, you can subscribe to our channel.
Okay, this question says shade the region where x is bigger than 1 and y is bigger than 2x plus 1. So what we do to do these regions is we draw the line of x equals 1 and we draw the line of y equals 2x plus 1. So we draw the line where it's equal to it. So x equals 1, x equals 1. So this is where x equals 1, and it's all the way down this line. Okay, we're going to use a dotted line. The reason we're using a dotted line is because it can't equal it. So if it was or equal to, we'd use a solid line, but we're going to use a dotted line because it is just bigger than, it's just bigger than 1. And the other one, y is bigger than 2x plus 1. So we do x and y, and then we do some points. So we'll do 0, 1, and 2. So if x is 0, 2 zeros is 0, plus 1 is 1. X is 1, 2 1s are 2, plus 1 is 3, and 2 2s are 4, plus 1 is 5. So it goes through 0, 1, 0, 1 is there. 1, 3, 0, 1 is there, 1, 3 is there, and 2, 5 is there. So again, we'll get our dotted line, and we'll join them up with our dotted line. So go through all 3 of those points, and we mark it on. Now we need to shade the region. So x has got to be bigger than 1. So that means it's this side of this line. So x is bigger than 1. And y is bigger than 2x plus 1. So it's the top of this line as well. Sometimes you might try a number to check. So if you check the point 0, 0 and see if it's right. So if you had 0 is bigger than 2 zeros plus 1. So 2 zeros plus 1 is 1. 0 is bigger than 1. Well, that's not true. So this point here is on the wrong side. 0, 0 is on the wrong side. So we want the point on top of this line. So that means this is the region we're going to shade, this one here. And you can check a point again. You can go, I'm going to check x2, y6, so 2, 6, and check it works for both of them. So 2 is bigger than 1. Well, that's true, yeah. And 6 is bigger than 2 2's, 4, plus 1, 5, and that's true as well. So that means that it's correct. Let's look at another one. So shade the region where x is bigger or equal to 1. So again, that's this line here. I'm going to use a solid line this time because it can equal 1. So there's a solid line down there. Y is bigger than 0. I'm going to draw a dotted line for that one. Y is bigger than 0. This is 0 here. It's going to be hard to see it. So you can just make out that there's a dotted line going along there. And finally, we need to work out where this line is. So we'll do a little table again, x, y. We'll do 0, 2, 4. I'm using even numbers because I know I've got to times it by a half. So minus a half times 0 is nothing, plus 3 is 3. Minus a half times 2 is minus 1, plus 2 is 2, plus 3 is 2, sorry. Minus a half times 4 is minus 2, plus 3 is positive 1. So that gives me 0, 3 there, 2, 2 there, and 4, 1 there. And we're going to use a dotted line. So we're going to join these up. So join those 3 points up with a dotted line. So it goes through all of them. Okay, so now we need to figure out which region we need to shade. So X is bigger or equal to 1. So that's this way on this line. Y is bigger than 0. So that's up from here. And Y is bigger than minus a half X plus 3. So that's Y is bigger on top. So that's this way. So it's this big region here we're going to shade. We're going to shade the big region. Usually the answer is the bit in between them all, but in this case we're shading the big region. We can pick a point to check, so we can say, I don't know, 5, 5. So we'll check 5, 5 works for them all. So 5 is bigger or equal to 1. That's true. 5 is bigger than what's this? So this is minus a half times 5 is minus 2.5 plus 3, 0.5. So 5 is bigger than 0.5 and 5 is bigger than 0. So that means we've shaded the right region. Okay, see if you can do this one. Pause the video, give it a go. Okay, so we've got Y is less than 1, X is less than 1, Y is bigger than 2, and we've got a straight line here we're going to need to draw. So let's do X and Y, pick some points. 2 will go off the graph, 1 will go off the graph. So we'll do minus 2, minus 1, and 0. So minus 2 2's are minus 4, plus 2 is 6. 2 minus 1's are minus 2, plus 6 is 4, and 0 times 2 is 0, plus 6 is 6. So we've got minus 2, 2, minus 1, 4, and 0, 6. Okay, got that line there. So we're going to get our dotted line and we're going to draw these lines on. Okay, so X is less than 1, so X is 1 down here. So draw my dotted line there. Y is bigger than 2, so Y is 2 along there. And I've got this line here, so it goes, I'll do it from there, goes through those points, get it lined up, and that looks about right there. Okay, extend it out. Right, we've got, and then we've got to find out what region it is. So X is less than 1 minus, I've done 1, haven't I? X is less than 1. So that is this side. Y is bigger than 2x plus 6. So bigger than will be on top. So it's this way. And Y is bigger than 2. So up again. So it's this bit here. Okay, let's pick a point to check. So we'll do minus 5, 5 this time. So minus 5 is less than 1. That's true. 5 is bigger than 2 minus 5's is minus 10. Plus 6 is minus 4. That's true. And 5 is bigger than 2. Yeah. So that means this is the right region.
If you did from the video, you can press the like button or you can leave us a comment below. And if you want to be notified of these videos, you can always subscribe to our channel.